All right, ladies and gentlemen. Well, you know the deal. As always, we got about a minute to go, 40 seconds here before the opening bell. So hopefully we can trade a little bit more consistent than yesterday. That's the goal, as always. So main watch for me right now is PZZA, and I'm just going to watch Tesla for right now, and then I'm keeping an eye on, AAOI. Yeah, keeping an eye on AAOI and a few others as well.
Apple's dumping out lows already there. Look for it to bounce. Facebook right at pre-market resistance here. Might just rip right out the gate.
AAOI is starting to look a little bullish here right out of the gates, maybe.
Yeah. Here we go. Tesla just dumps. See the PZZA here.
Okay, I'm following PZZA closely. It's still just kind of hanging out right now. Hasn't really started moving. Definitely want to short this puppy. So paying very close attention to PZZA here. AAOI is starting to dump out of the gates. DDD is starting to push upwards. DDD is squeezing pretty hard.
Ooh, I wonder who got burned on Tesla. So I said no trade out the gate. Jesus.
My charts are frozen on Thinkorswim right now.
Ooh.
Oh, yep, apologize. Let's get that going. Momentum scanner is up. Charts are still frozen here on TD Ameritrade. That's just absolutely beautiful. All right, Papa John's is starting to come down a little bit. Might look to enter short here on Papa John's. All right, I'm taking Papa John short. I'm in short 1,500 shares with Papa John, and it just dumped immediately. Beautiful.
Yeah, I clicked my short at 38.66 and nothing happened.
So I'm in short 1,500 shares Papa John at 38.56. That's my average. Just holding for right now. Would like to see this thing dump more. I think it's got more room down on it right now, so I'm just going to hold for right now.
Holy crap.
Look at that.
It took 9 seconds to fill. What?
Wow.
I had 500 shares at 38.67. It didn't do anything. It just filled it randomly now, 30 cents.
All right, guys, I just covered up 1,000 shares, so still holding, or sorry, I covered up 500, still holding 1,000 shares. I might piece this order out in lots of 500 right now. I do expect we're going to have a squeeze up. That's anticipated. So I'm going to look for this thing to squeeze back up to the 9 moving average, fail, and then keep coming down. If we just dump out on Papa John's right now in this candle and have a big spike down, I'll cover up my last 1,000 shares on the spike down, because that's really what I'm looking for, is another push to the downside here.
We have Tesla short in rejection of the 200 here, guys. Right as it flew right up to the 200, took it short, 371.48.
Oh, I tried to cover up another 500 and got filled right at the top of that squeeze. That sucked. So still holding 500 shares short right now. Hoping this thing just doesn't squeeze all the way back up.
Apple. Anybody take short Apple? Man, I took my eyes off of it.
Oh, I think Papa John's is going to squeeze all the way back up. It is.
3-point miss there.
Wow, I only made 88 bucks out of that 500 because Papa John started squeezing all the way back up. Damn, that sucked. I'm reshorting this sucker. I think that was it was a scare. I think it's a fake out. I think it's just coming right back down. Damn it, I can't believe I just got squeezed like that. That's such a pain in the ass.
Yeah, that's a huge squeeze.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be smart. I'm taking it off there. So I made 176 altogether in those 2 trades. Could have been much, much better, but hey, I'm already kind of aggravated with the way that squeezed me up, and then there it goes, dumping me out. So bad trading? No, not really. Just I guess I could have done a little better job on taking profits there. So I'm not going to mess with it. Already don't like the way it's starting to perform. It's starting to look a little choppy. So not messing with Papa John's anymore. AAOI doesn't look too bad. It's starting to squeeze up a little bit. So
I'm still short Tesla. I'm just kind of watching this consolidation chop up here near the 200. There it is. Oh. You know, quick dump there. I took it off on that dump under the trend. It's going to continue, I think, but I don't want it to bounce off VWAP. So
yeah, so we're sitting at $176. Wow, that sucks.
Ash because of the major moving averages rejection scalps. So once Tesla came back down and squeezed all the way up.
Ooh, look at light. Massive dump out of the gates. Just insane.
Yeah, right through the 200. Yeah, I'll be long biased on Tesla after it bounced and held 371.29. Might actually take that long.
Light just dumped all the way back down to like yesterday's low areas. I don't really foresee that. Is this the dip buy area? Maybe on AAOI. It's too high for me to buy now, but I mean, it's holding the after hour levels pretty well. Support there. I think I missed that entry for sure.
Oh no, I got filled at the bottom. I'm trying to reshort the rejection on Apple here at 9 and VWAP meet here. Try to get a fill up at 205.67, but you know, thumbs on me, I'm at 205.39.
Watching MTCH here, it's trying to push up. We could have a red to green move set up here taking place on MTCH. I think we're getting
ripping.
All right, I'm long MTCH with 1,000 shares. It looks like it's just it's trying to squeeze some shorts up right now. So I took it long with 1,000 shares holding, looking for this to break up over 45.50. If it does, we should get a nice pop, squeeze, and would be a nice trade. Might have to wait for it to pull back, so we'll see. Yeah, they gave me a
looking like it wants to squeeze to the high side here. Apple perfect rejection. Still short Apple here. Tesla long for a scalp squeeze. Possible here. So it holds the 200. Let's see the next couple minutes here what it does up here.
Well, look at the AAOI squeeze back up. Watch AAOI for a long here. I'm currently in MTCH, down on the trade. Still holding above the VWAP pretty well.
Come on, Tesla. Boom. There it is.
Ooh, look at nice trade there on Tesla.
Boom. Nice. Easy point, man. $100 here, $100 there.
Come on, MTCH, get up and over. Might have to take MTCH off. I guess it's still above the VWAP, but if that snaps VWAP, I'll have a big red. Yeah, it's below VWAP. Is it going to get bought up just below? Sellers are coming in. All right. So the red to green failed there on MTCH. So I think if it puts in a higher low, now it might be ready. We'll see. So lost $570 there on MTCH. So that's going to put me down probably about closer to 300 on the day. DDD just ripped like crazy. I had a feeling I was going to do that.
Getting pushed out of my Apple short here. Lame. Wait for a 50 EMA rejection. Yeah, that was a nice squeeze.
MTCH starting to look a little weak here for a possible short. But they already had a big red candle before it, so I'm being a little bit patient on MTCH right now. The SPY is curling back up, trying to look to go long over high a day there from opening bell, that is.
Yeah, Tesla's working out, man.
Yeah, look at that Tesla. Nice move.
Let those 50 shares ride, man.
Yes, I'm sitting down 397 currently on the day.
Apple squeezing to the 50. Look for a reject at the 206.19 level there. See what it does. Might have a full reversal here, but it's got to be a
Oh,
relaxed
there's
scalp.
I'm freezing again. Come on.
I hope you're recording that. Yeah, you are. Okay.
All right, guys, I just entered. Wow, that was beautiful. Just entered short on MTCH. It popped right down to the 200 moving average. Still holding. Looking forward to break this 200 EMA. I clicked the button and it just kind of like instantly went. Come on.
Ooh, Tesla, baby. Another squeeze run here. What's up? Couple points.
Yeah, baby. Come on. Keep going. MTCH slam, baby. All right, I'm covering up 1,000 shares there on MTCH. So I just covered 1,000. And I'm all out on MTCH. Completely out there on that drop.
ZA here.
So that's going to put me up $468 on the day. I could have probably held that short just a wee bit longer, but again, I'm trying to get myself back into the green, so I'm not a little FOMO right now. So now that I'm into the green, I'm happy. That's 500 bucks on the day right now.
Currently short Apple for the 50 EMA reject and short PZZA from 38.55. Weak candle open. Resistance break 38.60. 400 shares left on PZZA.
Yeah, ABIL did put in a new high a day. It's right at the, guys, look at the daily chart on ABIL. It's currently right at its 200 moving average, so it's at a big, big resistance right now. So
sized up a little bit here.
Yeah, that's probably a no-go for me on ABIL. Etsy, I'm seeing Etsy. It kind of looks like it's rolling over. Looking a little weak. Volume's very low on Etsy. I'm not going to trade that. DDD just continuously ripping. Kind of salty. I didn't take that trade today.
I think Apple's going to push me out here. It decides to open real strong through the 50.
Snapchat is being boring. PZZA is very, very, very choppy right now. Cannot decide what it wants to do. So
I'm still holding short. Risk is the break over 38.60.
Watching AAOI here.
I took off Tesla. I don't want to talk over counter at 375.30. Right on that dip because the pre-market resistance there at 375.80. So I wanted to make sure it didn't have a sharp candle to the downside to catch up with a 9 because of how extended it was. But yeah, Tesla's long all day. I'm gonna look for it on pre-markets here. There's freaking PZZA. What's up? 400 shares on this beast. Closing under VWAP. Here we go. Snap to 50.
Guys, I am long AAOI. It's kind of curling, breaking back up over the VWAP. I think this guy has a little squeeze in it to the upside, so did take it long. Currently in with 1,000 shares.
Letting PZZA work here. I was really hoping for a stronger snap to the 50, but it held at 50, so same risk. Yeah, I won't swing Tesla, no. T. Ryan, not with Elon tweeting some crazy crap like that.
So I'm getting ready to sell a little bit here on AAOI. It's just not breaking the way I thought it would initially, so we'll see. Candle's starting to become a doji.
Still short Apple working out here now. 35 bucks, 60 bucks out. There you go. Apple's starting to crush here. Here's the rejection. Held through that.
So I took my, keep going. Sorry, I took my shares off AAOI all out. Just wasn't moving the way I wanted it to on that candle.
Maybe fine. I'll look for Tesla at 377.75 area up there. Rejection and pullback. Apple working out through the 9 to the VWAP right now. Beautiful. Quick little hundo there. This might have room, boys. Panic through the VWAP here. Yeah. Covered up some through VWAP.
AAOI struggling to get over the VWAP right now, guys. So this is kind of my main ticker I'm watching.
We got whole dumps right here.
It really looks like it's trying to squeeze up.
AAOI squeeze up, it looks like, definitely. It's a really strong curl.
Yeah. I should just probably pull the trigger and take it long again. Oh, I just did, and it's starting to pull back on me. That
Uh,
sucks. Right at the high, filled right at the high. Now it's starting to pull on me. This dumps. It's going to be a bad day. I guess I could just call it off. Yeah, she's going down. Oh,
Damn.
Connor, another silly trade to jump in, and so back down on the day. Just beautiful.
That wasn't a bad play. That was
It wasn't a
good
bad
trail
play.
too.
It just smashed on me.
Higher lows all the way up to.
Yeah, I mean, it was higher lows all the way up, broke VWAP at that 20 EMA, just pounded me down again.
I'm taking my PZZA off here. It's looking like it wants to pop the 9. 347 there. Apple, all out of Apple.
Wow. Should have just reversed by someone short on AOI, apparently.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah.
That sucks. Ooh. Keep an eye on DDD. DDD is looking a little bit weak right now. I really thought I had that curl to squeeze on AAOI. It's okay. Etsy's kind of curling back up. Could see like a red to green move on Etsy here.
Facebook coming down to the 50 here. It looks to keep selling off. Let's find that support bounce in Facebook. SPY's falling off a cliff, going down.
Looks like AAOI is starting into a wedge pattern right now.
Watching PZZA very close here. There are $340 cushions. Size up on this next one.
Thinking short, maybe?
Yeah, definitely short.
Yeah, I kind of like
shares it right here. The break of the VWAP.
So I just went in with you on Papa John's PZZA. Currently
Boom.
short.
That is, come on. Yeah, panic.
I know. I'm hoping it breaks this 50 and just smash. And I'm going to take it all off right away. I'm not even going to size out. I'm just going to hope this panic sells. Just boom, slam a jammer, just drop, break it back, break it back. Let's go. It's a beautiful looking rollover so far on PZZA.
Open under, open under, open under. Do not pop back to the VWAP, you
Gosh. Right back to the VWAP. That's so lame.
I'm not covering. I mean, my risk is 38.45. Look at it, got sucked right back down.
Yeah, I'm not covering this. Just gonna hold it. Or I guess I could aim for take the small win, get myself back into the green. Keep an eye on DDD. That thing's kind of curling back up towards high. High days could have another push there. This thing's holding the 50 EMA pretty well, PZZA.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Oh, wow. Look at that squeeze.
It went right to my risk. 38.45 is my risk out, and it just smashed and rejected again. If it recovers it, it's fine. I mean, I had a $300 some cushion, so.
Ooh, look at AAOI. AAOI is back up. So I'm all out of PZZA. I took it off there. AAOI, once again, back up. Is this the squeeze I was looking for? I think it might be. Wow, just got shook so hard on on a PZZA.
Yeah, I couldn't close yet. I mean, it's okay. That hurt.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that squeeze. Just freaking ridiculous on PZZA. I got out of that. Thank gosh.
Holy moly.
That's so ridiculous.
Well, that's how you get back your profits there.
That's definitely how I could have just went negative $2,000 on the day. So I'm very happy I got out of that.
Whew, well, at least
wow, look at that freaking squeeze. I guess I could have anticipated the squeeze. I'm not even gonna play around with trying to short this anymore.
No way.
Oh, Etsy did in fact go for a red to green move, popping towards the upside. not a big one, really. Actually, it's not even that good. I wouldn't even mess with it. Well, it could be a lot of shorts in there. I still need to get squeezed out, but I'm not a huge fan of the way it's moving.
Whew. That was a gnarly move right there. I feel like a bag holder now.
DDD, again, DDD looking a little bit weak there, putting in a lower high from the highs so far. Got some sellers coming in on DDD. PZZA going on another squeeze. So watching DDD, I might take DDD short here. 1750 is the kind of resistance we had mapped out earlier in the day. I don't like shorting it though. I might not. It's a strong push to the upside, so I think it's actually going to fake out the shorts maybe.
PZZA. I'm just staring at this chart in awe. Like,
thinking, well, if I was on the other side of that, I could have got that massive squeeze.
yeah.
AAOI just basically lost all of its volume. Very low on volume now. Still struggling to get over that VWAP. I have not looked at IQ today. Please tell me it's not. Wow, look at that massive dump on IQ. I don't want to say massive, but it was definitely a big, big push. If AAOI gets over this VWAP and starts going, I think there's a big squeeze to take place.
AAOI is to the VWAP here again. Might have another test and roll over. Let's see. Looks weak up here. Take a stab at AAOI. Short here. 44.17.
Oh, I should have taken it with you.
There we go. I'm covering that up right away.
Watching DDD looking kind of strong here. All right, I'm taking DDD long. Just hopped in DD long or DDD long. Looking for this thing to start squeezing up over highs. There it goes. Getting ready to sell some here on DDD. A lot of sellers coming at this 17 area. If it breaks through 1760s, we should have a big push to the upside.
Don't short Tesla, you're right. It's going to be a gnarly mover either which way.
Let's go DDD. Push, baby, push, baby, push up to 1765. Absolutely beautiful. Selling 2,000 shares there on DDD.
Oh. Yeah, she's
a lot of sellers at 1775, and they are getting knocked out. Squeezing. This thing could magnet straight to 18, I think. Let's go, baby. DDD. Keep pushing. Just sold another 1,000 shares on DDD, still holding 1,000 shares long. And I think I'll be happy with that and take it there. So all out of DDD for a $768 winner. That's now going to put me up 260 bucks on the day. So with enough back and forth trading, here we are. And that AAOI is looking pretty weak.
Yeah.
I almost want to short that, but I feel like I'm chasing it now. But it did just break a trend.
Yeah, I think it'd be okay if it comes up and tests again and continues down.
Because, yeah, it wasn't a little wedge pattern. It broke the wedge pattern to the downside. Right? Maybe I should readjust my trend lines. They're not looking the most pretty. I don't know how accurate they are right now. That's better. Okay. Wow, PCZA is still squeezing. That is just insane.
Yeah, that's nuts.
I think I should be taking AOI short, I think. Just that low volume.
Yeah, maybe. I'm all out with $110 winner on it already. I mean, I got a little leeway. Tesla's curling off the 9 again. I don't know if I want to long scout that or what.
Oh, is AOI going to do that dumb stuff and squeeze on this candle? That would just be stupid.
I'm so scared to click anything now.
I know. For some reason, I'm a
Easy.
little hesitant on the clicks today. Maybe it's just that chop trading. I'm telling you, whenever I have a massive win like that day where I hit 7,000 on Monday, it's like it seems whenever I have those massive days, the trading just becomes a challenge for me thereafter. I don't know if it's hesitation or what, but it just, I don't know. All right. AAOI, again, still looking kind of weak here.
All right, I'll take short AAOI. 43.63.
All right, trying to get short on AAOI.
Boom. Instant
Wow.
resolution.
They put hard to borrow on me when I hit that. There's no, I can't short AAOI anymore. Yeah.
I just got in.
That sucks. Oh, yeah, it is what it is.
Yeah.
Watch this thing just plummet.
I'm in with 500. Let's see. I'm up $25. If I can get a panic right here, this will be my last trade, and I'll just start working for you guys because. No, it's just gonna. Oh yes, panic.
Wow, good trade there. Good job.
I got lucky. Sneaking in before that.
All right, what else do we have moving?
Cool, Jesus. Let's go. Go then. Go then. Go past those lows. 43.30 drop. You CFD boys could be in this with me all day on TFS. All right, I'm gonna lock in some profit here. I'm gonna cover 200 shares at least. I got 300 left.
You might like MTCH. MTCH is bottoming here at about $44, just over the 200 EMA, starting to consolidate there. This might be a dip buy for a long. Kind of think it is. Just going to be a little bit patient with that volume slowly dying out. What's the market doing? Market's just chopping back and forth, but it is downtrending a little bit or trying to break to the downside. There goes DDD into new highs.
Waiting on AAOI to do something.
Yeah, it's kind of dragging now. It's just like, eh. Oh, that's right. Fossil had earnings. That's right. Fossil's starting to move. Fossil's coming up towards pre-market high levels right now, guys. So just be patient with that. Too high to buy.
T-Ryan now, Tesla looks like a short play. It's rolling over there and draw your micro trend line right there. If it doesn't recover that 377.50, then you could usually look for a pullback to the moving averages catch up. But then again, I wouldn't short it today now. That's that crazy news.
Wow.
See how the rollover curled the night?
Short there on LITE.
Gross. Now watch that 377.35 there.
SGNX just hit the high a day scanner. Just now getting to take a look at our SNGX. And it's junk. Don't trade that. SPY's rolling over. SPY's going to try and break through low a day here. If it does, could get a little bit of a panic sell on the SPY. Start dragging down some of the big tech stocks and bigger large cap stocks to the downside. So be careful on your long plays right now, just in case we get a panic sell off on the market. LITE is just getting freaking annihilated to the downside. Just dropped about 2 points.
Still watching Apple here. I was short off of the 50 fail, had a nice ride down. It recovered the VWAP, and now the 9 starting to chop around the 50 again. I think it might break to the upside here.
I think we'd see maybe I think we're gonna see what the hell am I LITE. It's only support that I really see on the 5-day chart. It's gonna be right at about what the hell is that, 55, maybe 55.50? Yeah, about 55.50 on LITE is where I see support right now. Yeah, Tesla's trying really hard to squeeze up right now, and it very well could do it. So be very careful on your trade there.
Oh, there's the Apple squeeze to the upside. Wish I didn't take it.
Etsy looking a little weak here. 5-minute chart on Etsy also looks pretty weak. Something about I just don't trust. Maybe it's the volume.
AAOI is finally starting to roll off the 9 here again to the down.
Yeah, this could be the panic sell here on ADC, but there's a lot of buyers in at 43.10. You can see there's 44,000 shares trying to be bought at 43.10, which means if it does pop down to 43.10, there should be a quick buyback, unless it's a fake bid and they're just trying to prop the price up, keeping it from a panic sell, which I think is the case.
That's a rejection wicks on Tesla.
Yeah, look at those rejection wicks there.
It doesn't come down here. Be careful.
I don't know if I'd short that. There's something about that just looks really fakey.
Yeah, very careful.
Yeah, guys, do not short Tesla. Even though you have a tweezer top signal on Tesla, I wouldn't short it. I think this would be a quick, this red candle is going to be a quick down and right back up. I think it's going to fake a lot of shorts if you try and get in on that.
Everybody and their mom wants a buyout. It's going to go up.
Yeah, see, look, it's already kind of pushing back up. ABIL, someone's talking about ABIL. Oh, look at ABIL. I hate. Let's see, it's up to $6. This could actually be a pretty good trade, so I'm going to watch it. So, guys, do watch ABIL. Could consider taking a long over highs, and it's starting to push, trying to. Still seeing a lot of selling pressure so far. Yeah, it's too high to buy right now. It needs to pull back. I mean, it is pulling back right now, but I mean, I'd rather see a 2-candle pullback and then a run. I want a 1-minute pullback and then run. Yeah, look at those inverted hammer candles right there. They just, again, they look super fakey. On Tesla, that is. So AAOI is trying to push higher here.
I have 100 shares left short.
All right, guys, I'm hopping in long on AAOI. Just hopped in long with 4,000 shares. Starting to pop up a little bit, and it's already kind of failing this push. Wow.
On AAOI? Oh, ABIL.
No, I'm sorry, ABIL. So I just exited ABIL, lost 212 bucks. It was just like instantly failing the push, so just got right back out of it.
Anybody catch that Apple call? Squeeze to the upside. That's a nice move.
Yeah, so AOI failed the 1-minute pullback, costing me 200 bucks. So that should put me right at about break even on the day. Am I gonna have to re-hop back in on this because I was a little early? Let's see.
PZZA. Wow, dude.
I know PZZA is going nuts. I will watch that short when it gets up towards like the after hour, like, you know, price point of its drop.
Yeah, that's just crazy.
I do think AAOI wants to push again.
I think AAOI wants to.
Or what am I talking about? ABIL. I keep saying AAOI. I think ABIL does want to push. Just a lot of sellers keep smacking this thing down. There it goes. God damn it.
See, look at that. Look at that Tesla. What did Connor say? It's fake. Inverse hammer's gonna.
Yeah, you see Tesla. You see how it dumped right there, and that candle got sucked right back up. Just no bueno. That really sucks, man. I was in 4,000 shares long ABIL, and I exited. That's okay. That's how you stay consistent. It's getting out of your trades super quick when you don't think they're working, even if they tend to go the right way after you get out. So just another back and forth chop day. I'm still up 7,000 on the week, so I guess I can't really complain.
There it is. AAOI finally letting go. 43 and a quarter. I waited patiently for my last $30.
Wow, I was just a tad bit more patient with
SPY's dumping here.
AIL. That was 2,000. I had 4,000 shares, and I was in at like 610, popped to 660 in a $2,000 trade that I just missed. I probably wouldn't have got all the 2,000 actually, to be completely honest. All right, and she is up there. Yeah, TWLO kind of selling off there on the rejection. See what PZZA is doing. Yeah, people are starting to get FOMO on ABIL. They're going to squeeze that thing.
PZZA is looking to come down a little bit here, looking weak. A lot of wicks leading up to the 40-50.
Yeah, I see that. I'm almost considering maybe taking a short there on PZZA, but it's
I don't want to chase it at this point.
Yeah, I missed the entry way up at the top, so I'm just going to hold off there for now. IQ just dumped again. I should probably focus on IQ for a second.
Apple, baby. Damn, that squeeze. I wish I would have took it at 206.
Yeah, I would say that IQ is at a pretty strong support. If it breaks that support, it's going to go down to 29.25. Yeah, I don't. IQ is not extended enough for me to try and do a reversal plan it. So if I'm trying to trade a reversal on it, but I need it to come down a little bit more first. There goes PZZA pushing up again. Again, I need to see PZZA up towards $41, which is right there before I would like to try and short that.
Tesla
So again, pretty back and forth trading today, sitting up about $50 on the day, so nothing huge, but I'll take it.
Tesla should squeeze here. Yep.
There goes Tesla. Man, I should have watched it. I knew it. I was dumb. I didn't know why I didn't watch it.
Yeah, I was watching it since that pullback there, curl off the 9. Caught a little bit of it, but
yeah, it's still not the most fluent mover right now.
No. PZZA's red P&L still staring at me. SPY complete reverse. Wow.
Yeah. DDD, still looking like DDD could push a little bit higher here, guys.
Tesla's running into yesterday's close right here, guys. So if you're long, take your profit here. Tesla. It's gonna have a hard time squeezing over.
All right, guys, I just hopped in long on DDD. It's starting to curl up and push. Looks pretty good. So I just hopped in long, looking for us to push towards 18. And I just took it off for a win so I can get back up in the green. I just scalped that for, I don't know, maybe like $300 or something. $200 win about. So nothing huge there, but just trying to get back up into greens. Yeah, there's a lot of buyers coming in on DDD. And this thing could easily pop over 18. A lot of buys still coming in there. Tape still green, shifting red now. Yeah, Papa John's starting to look weak, but still hesitant on trying to short that.
Yeah, I'm been staring at it. Wow,
Actually
Tesla through 380.
It's actually curling right now.
Yeah, it's got a slight curl to it.
Is that slight curl going to squeeze? Is that slight?
I really hope not.
I really think it just might.
Apple through a resistance trend line, so.
Wow, there it goes. Well, I knew it was going to do that. It's actually probably a good idea I didn't buy that because I probably would have been the one that pushed it all the way to 40.50 and then would have slammed it back down. So it's 380s. 380 should be, what was we got up to like 387 on Tesla yesterday. Was that about right? Like 386. Yeah, so it's still got some room to run. If it gets over the highs, excuse me, if Tesla can get over the highs from yesterday, oh boy.
It'll run to all-time highs then.
Yeah, it'll run in. Yeah, this thing looks super strong. I think it's just getting ready just to start moving. Here it goes.
It just broke through its 4-hour resistance at that 380, so that's the point I was looking for to take
I would totally love to long it, but it's just too extended now.
Yeah, I didn't pull the trigger. You gotta wait for the 9 to catch up.
Yeah, but you're right. It broke. It's over 380 resistance from like after hours and yesterday trading. So that's not bad. So I'm gonna sit up 231 on the day. Let's at least knock out a $500 day. I'd be happy with that.
God, I want to fucking just long scalp these stupid rips off Tesla.
All right, I think I should just start getting short on Papa John's. It's up at 41 now. Or would I be dumb? Am I gonna fake myself out here? It's been strong so far, so what makes you think it's gonna come down? Well, the after hour resistance where it had its massive sell off. I think it's just short squeezing up right now. I don't really think this is really a long. I think it's just more short squeezing. I'm doing it. I'm taking it short. I'm in short on Papa John's. Just took it short. I'm in at $40.60. So I know that this thing can squeeze back up. So if at any second I think Papa John's is getting ready to squeeze to the upside, I'm just going to exit. I'm not even going to mess with it. All those buyers are stepping right back up.
Caterpillars, man, caterpillars. Pizza, the 9 EMA. I've never seen so many seller wicks with manipulated pushes to the upside.
Yeah, I'm already kind of getting a little scared. Yeah, it's starting to go. I'm out. It's gonna squeeze again. There it goes. So now that it's at 41, is 41 really gonna hold is the question. Wow, this thing's being stupid. Guess I should not fight to trend no more.
If it pushes through 41, that thing's gonna, Jesus.
Makes me think this is where we should be longing. It's extended though.
Yeah, I don't even trust it. Tesla finally hit its rejection point there, 382.70. Little pullback. Apple pulling back. It's weird because the market was ripping. What's Facebook doing?
Still watching this PZZA. 41's holding pretty good. I'm doing it. Screw them. I'm reshorting. Come on. Give me a fill. So I'm reshort Papa John's, risking high a day here. So risk is basically like $40, $41.06. This is originally where I wanted to short. I jumped the gun a little early before, so I'm hoping this was the correct point that I should have been taking the whole time. Come on, baby, just slam. 4 points, just dump.
Yeah, I'm taking it with you. I'll be right here. 40, 80.
41, guys. We're short again. Boom.
Ooh, get it. No.
Let's go.
Stay down,
I know. It's got to stay down. It's got to stay down.
There it is.
If we get a slam to the 9, I'll be way more comfortable. Obviously, there she goes.
Come on. I took some off right there at that 65 touch.
I see what you're saying.
I just don't, that wick right there at 66, 65, that green. I'm like, nah, I took some off with the full of the candle.
Yeah, I'm still holding full size. I think it's just going to take a second here. But I don't like the way that one wick looks. Wow.
I can't trust that.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Trust the trade. 41. Slam it. Slam it. Slam it. Slam it. Go to the 9. Go to the 9. Slam to the 9. Or not. Or just keep getting bought right back up. You can do that too.
We'll see. This is his third attempt at the 9 touch, so third time's a charm, as they say. Right? Let's hopefully it'll.
Come on, baby. Let's go. Slam through. Come on, just slam through. The buyers get out of the way. There it goes. They got out of the way at 40. Oh, back up, you suckers.
Watching close here.
If this thing breaks at 9, it's going to be a nice payday. Come on.
It's not even that big of a bid.
I know. There's nobody bidding it really, and it's still getting held up.
Coming down. Well, that's a lot of the time when that happens. It's they get ask stretched. So when all the holders are just stretching the ask like that, a lot of the AI will buy in when they notice the spreads. There's a lot of calculated AIs that look for those spread pushes like that.
It's still getting held up here on the 9 moving average. This could start to a curl. So if this thing doesn't start breaking down now, I'm going to exit. It's now to 40.57.
57.
But that's spread.
49.
Boom. There we go.
There it is.
Boom.
All right, I'm out.
I'm taking it all out.
I'm out.
All out. I'm done with it. That's going to put me up probably about 500 on the day. $613.
No good.
There we go.
$2.
Finally. I mean, dude, just back and forth trading such chop that I just finally back in the green. So there we go, guys. I'm back up to $613 on the day, which that is completely fine with me. Super happy about that.
Never eating Papa John's again.
So there we go. All out. All right. By the way, so if anybody does happen to watch this trade recap on YouTube on my channel, feel free to check out the first link in the description of the video, as that can get you into our live trading room as which you are watching here. All right, so take care, everybody.